am thinking concerning a great speckled bird. Remember, her name is recorded on the pages of God's holy word, with the other birds flocking around her. She is despised by the squad, but the great speckled bird of the Bible, she is one with the great church of God.